Wireless remote K44576090, 10+2. The K44576090 is a wireless remote control unit typically used in industrial and commercial HVAC systems, automated gate systems, or specialized control panels. It enables remote operation of connected systems, offering convenience, efficiency, and safety for users. The exact specifications can vary based on the brand and application domain. For more details, subscribe to my channel. 2 key features. Wireless communication, operates over a secure radio frequency, RF, or infrared, IR, protocol. Durable build, built with industrial-grade materials for reliable performance in harsh environments. Multi-channel control, can manage multiple functions or devices with a single remote. User-friendly interface, buttons are clearly labeled, may include LED indicators or digital display. Power source, usually powered by AA/AAA batteries or rechargeable Li-ion cells. Security, encrypted signal transmission to avoid interference or unauthorized access. 3 other models/variants. Depending on the manufacturer, other related models may include: model number, key differences, use case. K44576091 includes backlit LCD screen suitable for low-light environments. K44576100 extended range and waterproof casing, outdoor or remote applications. K44576050 basic version with 1 to 2 control buttons, minimal control environments. K44576090 IR infrared version, line of sight only, controlled indoor environments. These model variants provide options based on user needs, whether it's range, ruggedness, or advanced features. For manufacturer and company sales relevance. The K44576090 is produced by Legrand, Schneider Electric, Siemens, or other similar global electrical system manufacturers, depending on actual product origin. Sales relevance. High demand product in building automation, HVAC, gate/door automation, and electrical control panels. Often bundled with control units or sold as a replacement accessory. Plays a key role in smart building and IoT-based automation solutions. Essential for retrofit projects to add wireless control to existing infrastructure. 5 Installation Guide. A pre-installation checklist. Verify compatibility with the receiver/control